So next bounty is also a MetaMask bounty called Mobile Fun with MetaMask SDK. And joining us is the developer relation manager, Eric Bichard. Welcome, Eric. All good.
Absolutely. Welcome, builders. Good global morning. Also, feel free to screenshot any of these slides, especially if there's any instructions. Thanks for having me. Again, my name is Eric Bichard, and I'm the MetaMask DevRel manager, but you can just think of me in this hackathon as the SDK DevRel. So I'm here to help you out. So let's go ahead and get started. So what is the MetaMask SDK? So pretty basically, it provides a seamless connection to the MetaMask extension or mobile from a web dapp, or connecting to mobile from a mobile game or a game that you might build in like Unity. Next slide. Yep. So qualifying for our bounty is pretty easy. You can create it's pretty wide open, I should say. You can create a mobile wallet connection. You can create a Unity game that links up to MetaMask Mobile. You can develop an Electron, a desktop, or even a JavaScript app using React or your favorite framework. Basically, once installed, you can explore the MetaMask documentation, and installing the MetaMask SDK is a requirement for eligibility. So the next two slides will just kind of show you how you can easily do that. So if you're a JavaScript developer, it's as easy as npm installing @metamask/SDK. And if you're a Unity developer, you can add the MetaMask Unity SDK to your assets in the Unity store. We also have a nice demo game in there that you can add, and you can kind of reverse engineer and take apart and kind of see how it's working, see how it utilizes Web3 functionality. So what are we looking for? We're trying to look for a dapp with the best product to market fit, design, investability, and execution. Overall, it needs to provide a detailed README. Just like Ziad was saying, make sure that your README is concrete, or that it's fully involved of all the things in your project, what tech you're using, and make sure that you're creating a fully usable demo, something that we can run ourselves as judges. So the submission requirements, basically, when submitting your project, ensure that you have the following: a GitHub repository containing your project's code, a short demo that showcases your dapp, demonstrated usage of the MetaMask SDK. So make sure that you have that installed, and make sure that you can pop that little QR code from your dapp or your game. Again, comprehensive README detailing the project's objectives and functionality, and include one of our MetaMask SDKs. So reach out to any of the mentors if you have any questions about the usage. And so you can check out our MetaMask SDK docs here. And I also provided a tinyurl.com with an SDK guide if you want to get started there. Thanks a lot, and back over to Francesco.
Thanks, Eric. Actually, it looks super interesting, and big incentive for a lot of game developers and Unity developers. And I'm always keen to see how MetaMask mobile experience will be integrated into your future submission dapps.